Introducing you to, if you're not familiar with it already, our world famous stud welding system. This is our 5500 unit, very popular.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the garage. So in today's video we're going to try out this H&S Autoshot Uni-Spotter on this back wall. I have some dents that I've pointed out before. This one in this corner is really bad. Just gonna give it a go, see how it turns out. So here we go. I'm going to try right here. Sweet. One 1000. Which way is it? This way. Pretty hard to be mad at that. That's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. That worked pretty good. I'm gonna keep on getting the dents out of this rear wall, and yeah. To remove the studs, just twist off. Pretty hard to be mad at that, guys. This is mostly returned to form. Pretty dang good. There's maybe this is concaved a little bit. So I just when I got this back from blasting, maybe I'll just heat that area and then move on from there. These aren't as bad as they were. Well, that one's pretty bad. This one's better. This whole corner is better, and I got a little hole there, but you can see the kind of the ripple, but that's because this is, I tore this. I got a ripple here. I could probably pop that out. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for coming and check out this channel and check out my videos. I appreciate it. If you like this video and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Helps me out, helps the channel out, and I'll see you next time.